We recently surveyed our customers and 27% of you told us you needed machine maintenance to be easier and quicker. You want a solution that allows you to stay on top of everything, a solution that is simple and saves time. That solution exists. It's a free and powerful equipment management technology called my.cat.com, or MCC as we like to call it. Here's how it works. Fire up MCC on any device and log in. If one of your machines needs maintenance, the first thing you'll notice on your dashboard is an Action Required prompt under Health. Click any prompt and you'll instantly see the health of that individual machine. Let's take some action. Up top, it's telling us that this machine should have a service. That's cutting it a bit close, so let's book in some preventative maintenance, just to be sure. We're almost there. Scroll down, check your details are correct and fill in the blanks. Proceed and your service will be booked in. If you want to know the price before scheduling the service, just click Request a Quote on the previous screen and we'll get a price to you in no time. If you're all over servicing and only need parts, you can buy them in a couple of clicks. Instead of clicking on the actions, let's check out your entire fleet. Here you will see a full list of all your machines. Find a machine that needs action and click anywhere on the row. On the top, it's telling us that an action is required, but this time we're servicing it ourselves and buying parts. What parts do we need to buy? Let's find out. Here you can see all the parts you're ordering. When you're ready, proceed to the next step. You'll be taken to parts.cat.com. The entire parts list from the previous page will now be all priced up and ready for you to order. You can customize the order using the minus and plus buttons next to each item. When you're ready, click Add All to Cart to buy everything. You'll get a bunch of gold ticks, always a good sign. To complete the order, scroll back up to the top and click on the cart icon and check out on PCC like you always do. Easy as.